Welcome to the Hustle Wing podcast. Today we are joined by Brian Ritter, the founder and CEO of R2 Consulting. Thank you so much for joining us today, Brian. Thank you for your time. Yeah. How are you doing?
It's a pleasure to be here, and I greatly appreciate the opportunity, Izzy.
Cool, cool. All right, so talk to me. What is R2 Consulting?
Yes, R2 Consulting is a product development and consulting firm. We specialize in creating custom software applications and solutions
Mhm.
for multiple different industries across four different continents.
Okay, four different continents. Which continents? Let me see.
North America, South America, Europe, and Asia currently.
Nice. Okay, you got the big boys. Cool. So how long have you guys been running for?
5 years.
Okay, okay, that's good. And so far, like, what am I trying to say? What made you start the company? There you go.
Yeah, so I was running a different tech company, and my current business partner, co-founder, and I were often approached by different individuals seeking advice about how to build custom software applications and if we could direct them in the right way or to different companies to help facilitate the process of development.
Yeah,
And what we realized is there was a gap in the marketplace where you can offshore, outsource product development to different countries in Asia, in Eastern Europe, and whatnot for
yeah,
more affordable rates. But oftentimes, the quality of the products were far less than desirable.
yeah.
So we figured out that we could offer our clients an affordable solution without sacrificing the quality.
Nice. Okay, cool. So what is your vision for R2 Consulting?
Our vision is to help develop software products for a wide range of clients, including startups, SMBs, and even Fortune 1 and 500 companies. And,
Nice.
and the goal really is to just help provide really affordable but high quality software product development. And oftentimes, if we're lucky enough to work with startups, we help to turn their dreams into a reality.
Yeah. Well, that's amazing. Okay, and so you've been running for 5 years. How big is your team?
We started with just two of us, and we've grown the company to about 20 employees.
Nice. Okay, that's steady growth. Cool. So are you looking to, get bigger? Are you currently in the space of trying to, expand?
Yeah, so there's kind of two sides to our business model. One is the
Hmm.
product development and consulting side, where we build applications for our clients, and also provide data and marketing services. And then what we do is we take a lot of our profits and we reinvest those profits into developing our own commercial products. And so right now, after several years of, growth and success, we're really starting to focus more on building our own commercial product, which we're really excited about.
Nice. Okay, cool. And can you share what it would be about, or is it like top secret?
Yeah, I can, give a little bit of information regarding the product. Essentially, it's a competitor to different food app delivery companies.
Okay.
But what we found is that the current models are unsustainable for most food establishments, such as restaurants and food
Mm,
trucks and whatnot,
mm,
largely due to the high commission fees. So
yeah.
typically, restaurant margins are somewhere in the 3 to 5% range, whereas a lot of these food app delivery services cost 30% or more in terms of each transaction. And so that's
Yeah.
unsustainable for the restaurants themselves. And so our goal is to be able to create a product that empowers food establishments such as restaurants to have all the capabilities that they need to run their operations on premises and off premises without having to deal with these steep commission oriented fees.
Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. So, what are some of the challenges that you guys are facing at R2 Consulting? So, with the whole expansion and stuff, you got a whole product coming out. Are you still in like the testing and designing stage, or are you actually creating it? Like, where are you?
Yeah, so in terms of the consulting and product development side, You know, as a consulting group, it's kind of feast or famine, and so that's always a challenge in terms of finding new clients. We're largely
Yeah.
referral based, which has done quite well for us, but oftentimes there are, you know, lulls that we have to kind of deal with and survive, if you will, to keep the
Yeah.
lights on. In terms of our product, though, we are about 85% done developing it, and we're in the process of finding pilot subjects to work with to roll it
Mm.
out. We're going to run a pilot in the U.S. and then, you know, hope to raise a seed round and expand from there.
Okay, cool. All right. And oh, I forgot to ask you earlier. So you said four continents. Why those particular four? Like why Asia, Europe, North and South America?
Just where our clients are based, you know, different referrals led us there. We're,
Yeah.
you know, continent agnostic, if you will. You know, we're happy to build products for anyone, anywhere.
Okay.
And as long as we're, you know, able to do it if it's software related, which we
Yeah.
typically can, then we're happy to accommodate. And, you know, I've had the privilege of traveling to many countries around the world. And so I
Yeah.
think it's fun. It's a great opportunity to work with different clients in different locations.
Yeah. Okay, cool, cool. Thanks. I was wondering why it was limited to those four. I was like, is there something with the other countries that you're not feeling or but now I know. Thank
We
you
would
for
love
clearing
to
that
break
up.
into, you know, Africa and Australia. Antarctica, I
Yeah.
think, will be quite difficult, but um, you know, we're happy
There
to
are
work with
people
anyone,
there, so it's
anywhere.
not impossible.
Not impossible. Not impossible.
Cool. So what are some, oh, sorry, what sort of help or assistance would you need from the community of hustlers watching?
I guess it really just depends on our different projects that we're working on. As I mentioned to
Mm,
you earlier, you know, we're always seeking talented individuals with
yeah,
different expertises in different subjects, subject matter experts, if you will. For example, sometimes we do big data and IoT oriented projects. We're getting more into machine learning and deep learning and artificial intelligence, natural language
yeah,
processing, things of that nature. And so when those projects, you know, start to come together, oftentimes we'll bring in different subject matter experts to help assist us and facilitate the development of the applications we're working on. Aside
yeah,
from that, I think we can also be of great assistance to a lot of the side hustlers in the community as we could potentially help them to bring their dream to reality.
yeah. Amazing. Okay, cool. So would you be open to hearing from sort of developers and people in that sort of space? Because I guess you are, software SaaS. So would you be interested in listening to people that might be able to pitch you here or there? Or yeah, would you be interested?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we believe in, you know, working with smart, talented individuals, and I think Side
Yeah,
Hustlers is a, you know, Hustle Wing has a community filled with such individuals, and so we're always open to working with those type of people. I think a lot of it depends on their tech stack, their
yeah.
competencies, their experience, you know, just as in any um, job or, you know, employment opportunity. But absolutely.
Amazing. Okay. Well, thank you so much, Brian, for your time. It's been amazing chatting to you and hearing about, R2 Consulting and what you guys do. And hopefully we'll get to connect again soon.
An absolute pleasure, AC. Take care, and thank you so much.